How to swap account in Codm. Follow the instructions. Open Call of Duty Mobile on your device. Wait for the main lobby screen to load. Tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Scroll to the Legal and Privacy tab. Tap on the Log Out button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you want to log out when prompted. The game will restart and return to the login screen. On the login screen, choose your preferred login method. Select the login option linked to your other account. Enter the login credentials for that account. Wait for the game to load with the new account. You will be taken to the main lobby with the new account. Check that your progress and profile match the other account. Start playing the game with the newly loaded account. Thank you for watching.